Okay, so today we're going to talk about the associative property of multiplication and the distributive property of multiplication. So I'm just going to write down a little formula for the associative property of multiplication. So here we go. All right, associative property would be open parentheses A times B, close parentheses, times C equals A times open parentheses B times C close parentheses. So it'll look like this. Now, do you see how here we regrouped? That's all the associative property is. It's just regrouping your numbers. So I'm just going to come up with a problem that we can solve using this formula for the associative property. So 3 times 2 times 4 equals 3 times 2 times 4. Okay, so here we have 3 times 2 times 4, and then all we did over here was we changed the grouping. So 3 times 2 times 4. Now you always do what's in parentheses first. So 3 times 2 is 6 times 4 is 24. And then over here, we have 2 times 4, which is 8, times 3, which is 24. So they come out to be equal. And here we did 2 times 4 is 8, and then times 3. And then here we did 3 times 2 is 6 times 4, and then you get 24 both times. So that's the associative property. You just change the grouping. Now we're going to do the distributive property. I got to erase this first. Okay, so the formula for the distributive property is A times B plus C. So we have to distribute. So it will be A times B plus A times C. So here you distribute the A to the B, A to the B, and A to the C. So over here you have A times B plus A times C. So a problem would be 2 times 3 plus 4. Okay, so 2 times 3 plus 2 times 4. So, do you see what I did there? I gave the 2 times the 3 and the 2 times the 4. So 2 times 3 plus 2 times 4. Now let's solve this. We will start with this side first. So 2 times 3 is 6 plus 4 times 2 is 8, which is 14. And then on this side, you start with a parentheses. So 3 plus 4 is 7 times 2 is 14. So this side we got 14. 3 plus 4 is 7 times 2 is 14. And then over here we have 2 times 3, which is 6, and then 2 times 4, which is 8, and then you get 14. So this is the distributive property, and all you're doing is distributing one number to the other numbers. And the associative property, you're regrouping. So that's how you do it.